Wow, crazy. Hey kids, Chad on Paint and Speed Shop. We're coming to you live and in Technicolor from my CRV. We are going to be testing out, that's right, another sweet dash cam. This one is actually the DC22. Now we're going to be putting a good amount of information along the bottom of the screen so you guys can check it out. This one does require a cellular service, which you can purchase right through the company, and it does come with an app. Just honestly, I just scanned the QR codes and followed the prompts. And we're finishing getting set up here, and we'll bring you back in when we take that drive. Oh, one more thing. Now, this one's a little bit different, other than it does require a cellular service. It has an OBD2 port power, so it has power all the time. So if your cigarette lighter adapter or your power port in your vehicle does shut off and you shut your car off, well, you got you set up. It does come with everything you're going to need, and the mounting pad, the pry bar, so you can sit it right up in here, right right up in there. All right, well, we're getting this thing set up, and then we're going to go for a drive. We're going to see how it did. All right, kids, we're set up. We've got a decent signal, and now we're just updating the firmware, and then we're going to get going. It's snowing. Snow bueno. Well, it's updating. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about what this does. So the modes of the camera, there is a parking mode. So when the vehicle goes off, or when you shut it off, it enters the parking mode, and the G sensor and the radar sensor remain active. So that's pretty cool. It's right here. Also, once triggered, the camera will save the event to the micro SD card, which it came with it, by the way. And then it will upload the video to the cloud and send real-time alert through the app. So that's pretty darn cool. Radar detection mode, all motion is detected, or human-only detection. Ignores non-human motion for false alerts. So that's pretty cool. Driving mode, when the vehicle is in motion, the camera switches to driving mode. Continuously records the video and saves it to the SD card. So that's pretty darn fantastic. Yeah. And then it tells you how to hook up to the OBS2 diagnostic port. And we're just about ready to roll. So let's do it. I'm just going to show you some camera footage right there. It's got the date and time right across the top there. And that's pretty darn cool. So now what we're going to do, it's just in monitoring mode right now because I'm not moving. So what we're going to do is we're going to get moving, and let's see how it does. Stick around. All right, kids, you can see I'm driving and it's tracking. If I turn it, see the same thing. See? Wow. Look at that guy. It's a good looking dude right there. I'm telling you. All right. Anyway, you can see how good of a job this is actually doing. I don't have it hooked up permanently yet, but I do have it where I'm holding it with my hand. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring it home, and we're going to see what we thought. All right, we're making a turn. Thought I'd just keep it going for just a little bit longer here. It's pretty slick, man. This is pretty slick. It does depend on some cellular connectivity, but that's just fine. It took a little bit longer to set up, but that's mainly because of the signal out here. Now you can see we're going to pull into the garage here. Yeah. All right, we're going to pull it in there, and we're going to see. We're going to tell you what we thought. Okay, we're back into the garage, and now we are in park mode, or surveillance mode, and let me show you. All right, there we go. And it does have a front and back camera. It's actually really clear. All right, kids, we're going to tell you a little bit about what we thought about the DC22. Now, what we think is that very user-friendly to set up. Scanning QR codes, and then just be patient. And then it does take some cellular signal. So I backed out of the garage and I did it that way, and it actually worked out pretty good. It did have to update, and that honestly, that's what took the longest, was to update. So what I think about this is that not too bad. A little peace of mind on your vehicle. I mean, face it, new cars or even used cars. I mean, like Long Bed Fred was, you know, $27,000. The my Sonoma was 2,500. But, you know, as far as I'm going to be putting this one in Peyton's Envoy, mainly so I can watch what's going on and what she's doing. Plus, then she can actually pay attention to what's happening with her vehicle as well. Make sure you check out that link that we're going to have right down here. And I want to also say that this product, this dash cam, the DC22, is Honest Peyton Speech Up approved. And that's all I got to say. Go get yourself one right now. Keep on wrenching, kids.